Welcome back. In this video lecture, we are going to study some important points, some important terms related to the bar magnet. We know that bar magnet consists of two poles. One is N pole and another is S pole. When the bar magnet is suspended freely suspended, it rests in north-south direction. The tip which is directed towards north pole of the earth is known as the north pole of the magnet. And a pole of the magnet which is directed towards the south pole of the earth, the pole, the tip, it is known as the south. Therefore, bar magnet having two poles, N pole and S pole. The magnetic strength of the N pole is denoted by plus M, and magnetic strength of the S pole, it is denoted by minus M. Therefore, this bar magnet behaves like a magnetic dipole. The distance between two ends of the bar magnet, it is known as the geometrical length, and distance between two poles, it is known as the magnetic length. Please note that the geometrical length is different than that of the magnetic length, or magnetic length is smaller than that of the geometrical length. Now see what are the important points regarding the bar magnet. See important terms regarding the bar magnet. Say first axis. We know that axis is a line. जब हम axis बोलते हैं वो क्या है? Line. In this case also, axis is the line which is passing through two poles of the magnet is called axis. Therefore, say this is the bar magnet having south pole and north pole. The line passing through the two poles of the magnet, it is known as the axis of magnet. The line passing through the two poles of the magnet, it is known as the axis of the magnet. Number 2, equator, or it is also known as the equatorial line. Line which is passing through center of the magnet and perpendicular to its axis is called equator, or it is also known as the equatorial line. See once again, the line passing through the center of the magnet, say OB the center of the magnet, and this line is the axis. This vertical line which is passing through the center and perpendicular to the axis, this line, it is known as the equator. Now we can draw, there are large number of such type of lines perpendicular to the axis, and the plane containing all these equators, the plane containing all equators is called equatorial plane. Say this is the equator and this is the equatorial plane. Now see what is meant by equatorial circle. We know that circle is the locus of points situated at the same distance from a certain point called center is called a circle. In this case, we have to define equatorial circle. The locus of points on the equatorial plane, which are equidistant from the center of the magnet, is called equatorial circle. This is the bar magnet having two poles, and this is the axis of the magnet. If we draw a circle in the equatorial plane, this is the circle in the equatorial plane. This is the circle, equatorial plane, perpendicular to the axis. This circle is called equatorial circle. The locus of all points on the equatorial plane which are equidistant from the center of the magnet is called equatorial circle. Next, magnetic length. The distance between two poles of the magnet is called magnetic length. It is denoted by 2L. The distance between S pole and N pole is denoted by 2L, and this length, it is known as the magnetic length. The value of magnetic length is less than that of the geometrical length, and the relation between magnetic length and geometrical length is given by the formula magnetic length 2L is equal to 5 divided by 6 into geometrical length. Or we can write this relation also, geometrical length is equal to 6 divided by 5 of magnetic length. Next term, pole strength. The concentration of strength of magnetism at the pole is called pole strength. The concentration of strength of magnetism at the pole is called pole strength. For North Pole, this pole strength is denoted by M. And for South Pole, this pole strength is denoted by minus M. In electrostatic, the strength of charge is analogous with the pole strength in the magnetism. In electric dipole, magnitude of the one charge is plus Q, and magnitude of charge is denoted by Q, and magnitude of both charges is same but sign is opposite to each other. One is positive and another is negative. But in this case, instead of charges, there are two poles, North Pole and South Pole, and strength of the North Pole is termed as plus M, and strength of the South Pole is termed as minus M. And the SI unit of the pole strength is ampere meter. Thank you.